Stella, and today I'm at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Dallas, Texas. Wow, this hotel looks gigantic and amazing. That is the lazy river pool, but it's super cold still, and it's closed. Aww. Welcome to our room. Let me show you around. These are the beds, and this is the alarm clock and a pen and paper. And the telephone, and there's also a few magazines. And this is me, I'm just chilling. And these beds are so comfy. We'll definitely enjoy our staycation here. Wow, look at the beautiful view, guys. The breeze feels so good. I love this balcony view. You could see everything out there. This is the coffee bar and the snacks and some glasses and some drinks. These are some more snacks, and this is the fridge with some drinks too. The closet, the safety box for all of your important stuff, and you can hang all of your clothes in here. It's me again, and let me show you the bathroom. This is our yummy lunch. This steak for my mom, and this burger for my dad, and this other burger for me, and all of these veggies are for us, and these cookies are mine. Wow, look at the sunset, it's so beautiful. To this yummy breakfast. Room service is the best. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Watch Nyla Grow for more videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.